So Galaxy Unpacked is just a couple weeks from now. It's happening online on August 5, 2020 at 10 a.m. ET, and Samsung has started dropping the teaser for it too, pretty much confirming there will be multiple products launched at the event. And the theme this year is Mystic Bronze, which is like a copper color with a matte finish. So here are all the products that will be launched at the Galaxy Unpacked event. Number 1. Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra. Both of these devices are sort of like the main focus of the launch. Both of them are going to be Samsung's Note flagship phones. These are going to pack Snapdragon 865 Plus or Exynos 992, but some reports claim that it may use Exynos 990, which kinda sucks considering what happened with Galaxy S20s. Furthermore, they would be quite faster. They would pack better and improved cameras with the same 108 megapixel lens with all the issues fixed, including the autofocus one. Both of them are going to have great design, 120Hz refresh rate, S Pen and all that kind of stuff. I made a couple of detailed videos on these devices, so if you're interested in them, I will link them in the description down below. You can check them out too. Number 2. Galaxy Fold 2. It is going to be a massive upgrade over the first generation. Yes, it would be a foldable device. It is coming with ultra thin glass technology, 120Hz bigger display, much bigger out display, great screen to body ratio ensuring a much more immersive experience, improved cameras, better battery life and great overall experience, and its leaked render also indicates that its camera module will be much like Galaxy Note 20. Also made some detailed video on Galaxy Fold 2s, so if you want to see them, link to them is also in the description down below. Number 3. Galaxy Beans. Now it may be called Galaxy Buds 2, but it isn't quite confirmed. Essentially it's going to be a new version of Galaxy Buds, but it will be shaped like beans and it'll look much more interesting, and weird enough, they look pretty good in air. There will be better sound quality and battery life, and these would also come with active noise cancellation, so these would be a great competitor to Apple's AirPods. And last but not the least, we have Galaxy Watch 3. So Galaxy Watch 3 will reportedly come in 4 different versions, 2 in 41mm size, another 2 in 45mm size. The display of the smartwatch is likely to be protected by Gorilla Glass, and it is expected to have 5 ATM water resistance. Both models of Galaxy Watch 3 are believed to come with LTE variants and GPS and be equipped with a heart rate monitor. These devices are also expected to come with blood pressure monitoring and are coming in a bunch of different colors. We also got some blurry images of these devices in Mystic Bronze color, and all of them look pretty good, and it confirms that all of the devices would indeed be launched at the event. So that's been it. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe with the bell icon, and if you enjoy this video, make sure you drop a like too, and I'll catch you guys in the next vid.